Connie Ferguson shares a heartfelt post 8 years after her mother's passing away. Actress Connie Ferguson has shared heartfelt and emotional thoughts about her mother, 8 years after she died. Penning a letter from the heart, the star said that she felt at first that she wouldn't be able to get through life without her mother. However, she says that her faith in God has kept her strong through the tough times. "I just did not know how we were going to cope or survive without you, the glue that held everything together. But the goodness of the Lord has seen us through, and continues to be our strength and refuge," said Connie. She also hopes that her mother and her older brother Moses are reunited at the pearly gates after his death earlier this year. Considering her mother a heavenly angel, the star reflected on the love she still has in her heart for her mom and asked her to continue to give the Fergusons strength as the virus rages on in South Africa. "Not a day goes by without me thinking about you. Your legacy of love is so strong and has become the glue that continues to keep everything together. I thank God for choosing you to be my mother. I am because you were. Love you, mommy, forever. Continue fighting and advocating for us." That side, wrote Connie. Times have been tough for the Ferguson film's producer as she revealed earlier this year that her brother Moses died. She said she was devastated that his last moments on Earth were so painful. In a lengthy post, the star told fans that she was heartbroken. The actress went on to reminisce on her childhood memories spent with Moses. "You, me, and Tony were the three musketeers growing up. So many memories that just bring a smile to my face. Your infectious laughter, how you would slap me on the shoulder when you burst out laughing. Your special signature walk, swinging your arms to the back. So many memories," she wrote.
Yeah.